Okay, we're looking at a 2004 Escalade ESV Bulgari Edition, pearl white, 100% original paint, 111,000 original miles. Bridgestone tires, looks like about 60% on the tires. Tinted windows, sunroof, full leather package with the back seat. There are 3 door dings on the whole truck. One on the driver door, one on the passenger door, and one on the right rear, that extra thing that hangs over the side. Paint is beautiful. Interior is beautiful. Runs perfect, drives perfect. New battery, new alternator. Perfect on the inside. Outstanding vehicle. Absolutely outstanding. All right.